How to get MAC address on Windows 10. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can get MAC address on Windows 10. In order to get MAC address on Windows 10, it's very simple. First of all, what you need to do is go ahead and open up the Windows tab and then type in C, or you can just type in command prompt. That would be the match. After, you need to open up command prompt, and once you open up the command prompt, all you need to do is just make a slight changes. That is, just type in some kind of code and it's gonna show you all of your MAC address. So here you need to type in getmac, make sure there's no space right over here, and after that you need to give a space and just slash and then type in v. Once again, give it a space and give a slash and type in fo space list. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. After you press on enter, it's gonna show you all of your command prompt. As you can see, this physical address is actually your MAC address. Now if you're looking for Bluetooth network, then this is the physical address or will remain your MAC address. So in this way you can find MAC address on Windows. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.